Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see a quadratic equation problem and also this problem based on ages of two persons, and this question is taken from Exemplar book. Let's look into the question. At present, Asha's age is 2 more than the square of her daughter Nisha's age. This is what our first statement. So here they are talking about two persons, one is Nisha and another one is Asha. So, and also we are going to deal with the present age in the first statement. So what they are saying, Asha is going to be 2 more than square of her daughter Nisha age. So first we need to fix what is Nisha's age. So it is x. And then what about Asha? 2 more than the square. So plus 2 I have written. Plus 2 is for what? Square of daughter. So this is present age of Nisha. This is present age of Asha. Now we will see the second statement. When Nisha grows to her mother's present age. Now this girl is going to grow. So at last she is reaching what the age? X square plus 2. Okay. Then Asha's age would be 1 year less than 10 times the present age of Nisha. So when this Nisha is reaching x square plus 2, Asha is going to be 1 year less than 10 times the present age of Nisha. Okay, this is what later when Nisha is reaching x square plus 2, then Asha is going to become 10x minus 1. But when they are going to become like this, that we don't know, right? Because it is not mentioned in the question. Like usually after 5 years they will say after 10 years, but in this question they did not mention after how many years their ages are like this. Since they have not mentioned, so I am going to write after n years. Okay, since we don't know how many years, as of now we are going to write after n year. Okay, so after n year means usually what we will do, if x present age is x, then after n year means x plus n, which is equal to, so after n years, what is our age? It's going to be the present age of Asha. So can I make an equation like this? X plus n equal to x square plus 2. This is for Nisha. Same I can do for even Asha also. So after n year means what? Present is x square plus 2. After n year means plus n. So that is equivalent to 10 times the Nisha's age, and we are going to subtract 1 also because 1 year less than 10 times the present age of Nisha. So these are the two equations we got. So we are going to solve these two equations in order to get the value of x, because x is the age we have defined in our problem. So how can I find? There are two unknown variables. One is x and another one is n. So what I'm going to do, take any one of the equation and find what is the value of it. So mark this equation as 1 and this equation as 2. Take any equation. This is of your choice. Find what is n equal to. Then from one equation you are finding what is n, and in the other equation you substitute the value of n. So we will get an equation only with x so that we can find the value of x. Can we start with that? So I am going to take the equation 1. Okay, so from the first equation I am going to find what is n equal to. So n I am keeping on the LHS, and this x is there on the LHS now, so we will move that to the RHS. So n equal to x square plus 2 minus x. So this is what we got the value for n. So now we are going to substitute this value. Mark this as 3. So n value is 3. Third equation. So now we are going to substitute third equation in second equation. So in the place of n, we are going to substitute this value. Can we substitute? So what is second equation? It is x square plus 2 plus n is there. So instead of n, what you have to write? X square plus 2 minus x. And on the RHS, we have 10x minus 1. So now we are going to simplify this. So finally, we will get one quadratic equation. So we'll start doing it. So there are 2x square, x square, x square. So I'm going to write that as 2x square. And then here 10x is there. So if I move that to the LHS, already one x is there. So both will be minus. So it's going to be minus 11x. And already here 2 plus 2 4, and this minus 1 is also coming to this side. So it's going to be plus 1. So we will be getting plus 5 equal to 0. So we got a quadratic equation. Now do the splitting of middle term and find the values of x. So we can do Yeah, so how can I split this one? So 10 is there and here minus 11. So I can make it as what? 10 ones are. So both needs to be minus minus. Yes, so we can split minus 11x to minus 10x and minus x. So can we start doing 2x square? So split the middle term to be minus 10x and minus 1x plus 5 equal to 0. Now in the first two terms we can take 2x in common. So what we left with x minus 5, and in the last two terms we can take minus common. So we will get x minus 5 equal to 0. Now this four term become two terms. So again over here x minus 5 is common. So the remaining is 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So we will be getting two values for x. So what are the two values? X equal to 5 is one value and x equal to 1 by 2 is the another value. Since this is in fraction, we don't want, because age cannot be in fraction. It's in years, right? So we cannot take this value. So we are going to take x equal to 5 years. So this value we are going to take. What is our x? It's nothing but what? Nisha's age. Nisha's present age is 5 years. So Nisha's present age is 5 years. And what about Asha's present age? Asha's present age is, what is Asha's present age? It is x square plus 2. So what is our x value? 5. So 5 square is 25. 25 plus 2 is 27 years. So this is what the answer for this problem. Hope you understood. Thank you.